me, Paulie C, and today we're back in the garage, and we're gonna do a little mod. I was gonna do a video on how to hardwire my Red Tiger camera, but we're gonna put that on hold because I got up late and I don't have enough time to do it. But I did do another video on LED hood lights. You can see the strip that I got. I found that it was too small, so what I did is I bought a newer strip, installed it on the hood. I'll leave you links up in the card, by the way. And so this small one, I figured I don't want to throw it away. So what can I do with it? I figured I could put it inside the channel here, the weather stripping. And basically all we're going to do is feed this in through here somewhere and then hook it into this light over here. I did test the light out and it does work. If you want to see it, I'll show you. Okay, so first thing you want to do now is take a little pry tool and carefully move the light. I think I'm going to take the bulb out as well. Okay, so that's out. Okay, now that we got that little LED taken out, test it out, and here, yeah, so we got power going through there. So actually, it looks pretty nice in those crevices. I just got to straighten it out a little bit, but let's get this going. Okay, so you're just going to want to pry this back. Actually, I don't even think you need a pry tool, just enough to get through there. Try not to bend it. Let's see here. And feed it down. All right, I did decide to pry this whole piece out here. You're not going to be able to fish that down, but this way you could probably get your hand in a little bit better. Sort of guide it down. Let's see on the other side there. It's kind of frustrating sometimes. It's like right there. Let's see. Need to feed it down just a little bit more. Thing is, it's kind of curled too, so it makes it difficult. All right, we did get it fished through. It is imperative that you do take this panel away from the side here, just so you can fit your hand down through there. It might take a few times. Remember, these wire coils are kind of twisted, so sometimes it makes it hard to get in there. I should make sure it's going into the hole first. I don't know. Okay. Oh, I got the black one through too. That doesn't take too long. All right, so we got everything fished through. So now all you got to do is hook up the positive and negatives to this side, and then figure out which is a positive and negative on this terminal, and you're pretty much set. Probably solder it on, very light solder. So let's do that. Okay, so we got our connections here soldered. I'm going to put some heat shrink just to clean that up a bit. Might as well do it right. Oh, good. There you go. So all we have to do now is pretty much just a little solder on the other side there, actually to the connection. And that's pretty much the final stage. And we're just going to tuck in all of this in there. See how it turns out. All right, now you can see all the it's all nice and tucked away. Oh, the next thing we have to do is solder that, and pretty much done. All right, guys, we're all done soldering and putting everything back. So we're gonna start this. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna work. I let the car light system shut off by itself. See if it works just by opening it. Oh, so I think we have to open it. All right, I hope you guys caught that. But it lights up pretty nice. Lights this area up pretty nice. It's better than just throwing the old strip away. So anyways, that's about it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Please check out my Facebook page as well as my Buy Me a Coffee if you want to donate to the channel. You don't have to if you don't want to. If you do, that's great. Until next time,